Welcome, first-time homebuyers, to Home Loan Programs by FirstHomeAdvisor.com. My name is John Gale, and I'm the founder of FirstHomeAdvisor.com. In this slideshow, we'll teach you about the best home loan programs for first-time homebuyers in the United States. There are many great home loan programs throughout the United States, but learning about them can be tricky. We want to help you learn about them, and then not only learn about them, but ask smart questions about these programs. These programs can help you increase your purchasing power by lowering your monthly house payments. Learning about the programs is half the battle, but then you also need to know how and where to access them. Most of all, our main objective is to help you get a great deal on a home loan. We'll teach you about state bond home loan programs, FHA home loan programs, loans for veterans or VA home loans, conventional loans, CRA home loans, loans for rural homebuyers through USDA, and HUD 184 loan program for Native Americans. One of my favorite first-time homebuyer loan programs is a state bond loan from your local housing finance agency. These programs feature below-market interest rates. A state bond loan program can be layered with an FHA, USDA, and conventional loan program. All of this adds up to increased purchasing power and long-term savings. To qualify, you must meet the local income limits. There are also purchase price limits. You must be a first-time homebuyer, meaning that you have not owned and occupied a home in the last 3 years. This first-time homebuyer requirement is waived if you are buying in a targeted area. You'll need to occupy the home as your primary residence. You also need to meet other lender and program requirements. You access the state bond home loan through a participating lender and loan officer. To learn more about the state bond home loan programs and to find your local housing finance agency, visit our website. Another very popular loan program with first-time homebuyers is an FHA home loan, also known as 203B. These loans are insured by the Federal Housing Administration, but made by private lenders. An FHA loan is a great program for first-time homebuyers because it offers a low down payment, as little as 3.5%. FHA loans are relatively flexible in their underwriting standards. FHA loans also allow non-occupant co-signers, meaning that a mom or a dad or somebody can sign for you and help you qualify for a home loan. FHA home loans are also compatible with the below-market interest rates from your state housing finance agency. To qualify for an FHA loan, you're going to need to meet the FHA and lender underwriting guidelines. The property you purchase must meet FHA property standards. The mortgage amounts are limited by FHA rules. To obtain an FHA loan, you must work with an FHA-approved lender, but most lenders are FHA-approved. Another great loan program for first-time homebuyers is referred to as the FHA 203K loan. This is a purchase and renovation loan insured by the Federal Housing Administration. This loan offers not only funds to purchase a home, but to renovate it as well. It comes with the same low down payment of just 3.5% and the same flexible underwriting as a standard FHA loan. This program is a great loan option for those that are buying a fixer-upper or foreclosed home that needs some work. To qualify for an FHA 203K loan, you must meet the same FHA guidelines and lender guidelines. The same maximum mortgage limits apply as well. To obtain an FHA 203K loan, you really want to work with an experienced lender and loan officer who specializes in offering the FHA 203K loan. A CRA home loan is also a great option for first-time homebuyers. CRA stands for Community Reinvestment Act, and national lenders are required to meet this act. They do so by creating special loan programs for first-time homebuyers and others that are either low-income borrowers or buying in a low-income area. These specialized programs offer low down payments. They may or may not have mortgage insurance payments. Many of these programs have more flexible underwriting standards. All of this adds up to increased purchasing power and long-term savings. To qualify for a CRA home loan from a national lender, you'll need to be either low income or be purchasing a home in a low to moderate income area. You'll need to meet the lender's requirements, and you would need to access this program through a large national bank who is complying with the Community Reinvestment Act. A conventional home loan is also a great program loan for a first-time homebuyer. The conventional loan is one that conforms to the standards of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Conventional loans can come with a very low down payment of just 3%. Conventional loans also have very flexible mortgage insurance plans for higher credit score borrowers. Often, conventional loans are also compatible with a below-market interest rate from your state housing finance agency. To qualify for a conventional home loan, you need to meet the program and lender requirements. Conventional loans are available for most lenders and loan officers, and no income limits or first-time homebuyer requirements typically apply. If you're a veteran buying your first home, a VA home loan is a very good option to consider. A VA home loan is insured by the Veterans Administration. One of the best features of a VA home loan is that it has no down payment required. There is also no ongoing monthly mortgage insurance payments. A VA home loan also has flexible underwriting standards. To qualify for a VA home loan, you must be a veteran. You must obtain a certificate of eligibility from the VA. And you must meet the VA and lender underwriting standards. A few states in the United States have specialized state VA home loan programs as well. These states include Alaska, California, Oregon, Texas, and Wisconsin. These VA state loan programs are similar to the state bond loan program. They offer below-market interest rates to qualified veterans. They have flexible underwriting standards, and all of this adds up to increased purchasing power and long-term savings. To qualify for a state VA home loan program, you must purchase a property in Alaska, California, Oregon, Texas, or Wisconsin, and you must be an eligible veteran. In addition, you must meet the program and lender guidelines. You'll need to access this program through a participating lender. If you're a rural home buyer, the USDA Guaranteed Rural Housing Loan is a great option. These loans are insured by the United States Department of Agriculture. The USDA Guaranteed Rural Housing Loan has no down payment, or it's 100% financing. There's also no ongoing monthly mortgage insurance. A USDA Guaranteed Rural Housing Loan can also be compatible with a loan from your state housing finance agency. To qualify, you must purchase a home in a rural area or town. You must meet the program income limits, and you also must meet the lender requirements. You'll need to access a USDA Guaranteed Rural Housing Loan through a participating lender. Another great option if you're a rural home buyer is the USDA Direct Housing Loan available directly from the United States Department of Agriculture. This program, again, has no down payment, no monthly mortgage insurance, and the payments may even be subsidized by the United States Department of Agriculture. All of this adds up to increased purchasing power and long-term savings. To qualify for the USDA Direct Housing Loan, you must purchase a property in an eligible rural town or area. You also must meet the income limits, and you access the program directly from the USDA. Homebuyer education is required, and you must meet all the program requirements. If you're a Native American in a federally recognized tribe, a HUD 184 loan program is a great option to consider. The HUD 184 loan can be used to purchase homes on or off tribal land. It also features a very low down payment of just 2.25%. There is no ongoing monthly mortgage insurance payments with a HUD 184 loan. This all adds up to increased purchasing power and long-term savings. To qualify for the HUD 184 loan program, you must be a member of a federally recognized tribe. You must meet the program and lender requirements, and your tribe must be set up to participate in the program. We know that there's a lot more to learn about first-time homebuyer loan programs, and we encourage you to continue learning and researching programs. But before we go, we do want to give you a few more tips and reminders about these programs. Remember that state bond loans can be layered with conventional, FHA, USDA, and sometimes even VA loan programs. Many of these programs will allow the seller to pay a portion of your closing costs. Homebuyer education is always a good idea, even if it's not required by your lender or loan program. We encourage you to compare offers from different lenders and programs to make sure you're getting the best deal. And also, remember to get pre-approved for a home loan before you start shopping for a home. You need to know how much home you can afford before you start shopping for it. Also, don't sign anything that you don't understand. Ask lots of questions before you sign anything. Finally, make sure that before you pay any fee that you understand whether that fee is refundable or not. Thank you for watching First-Time Homebuyer Loan Programs by FirstHomeAdvisor.com. We hope you have learned something about home loan programs that you did not know, and that you'll want to continue learning about first-time homebuyer programs by visiting our website, FirstHomeAdvisor.com. You can also follow us on Facebook at Facebook.com/FirstHomeAdvisor, or check us out on Twitter at Twitter.com/FirstHomeAdvisor. Thank you for watching.